Good morning, everybody. Welcome to IT Academy. Today we learn about RESTful Web Services. Let's begin. REST, or Representational State Transfer, is an architectural style for designing web services. It uses the HTTP protocol for communication. RESTful web services are popular for building scalable and flexible applications. They rely on a client-server architecture. RESTful services are stateless. This means each request from a client to a server is independent. The server does not store any information about the client's previous requests. RESTful services use HTTP methods for communication. These methods define the type of action to be performed on a resource. Common methods include GET for retrieving data, POST for creating data, PUT for updating data, and DELETE for deleting data. Resources are central to RESTful web services. A resource can be anything that can be identified and accessed through a URI. Examples include a customer record, an image, or a document. Each resource is identified by a unique URI, or Uniform Resource Identifier. The URI provides a way to locate and interact with the resource over the network. Think of it like a web address. RESTful services communicate using standard HTTP methods. These are the same methods used by web browsers to interact with websites. This makes RESTful services easy to integrate with existing web infrastructure. Data exchange in RESTful services typically uses lightweight formats like JSON or XML. JSON, or JavaScript Object Notation, is particularly popular due to its readability and efficiency. One of the main advantages of REST is its simplicity. It leverages the existing HTTP infrastructure, making it easy to implement and understand. RESTful services are also highly scalable. The stateless nature of REST allows for easy distribution of requests across multiple servers. Another advantage is flexibility. RESTful services are not tied to any specific programming language or platform. This allows developers to build services using the tools and technologies of their choice. However, REST also has disadvantages. The stateless nature of REST can make it challenging to maintain state information across multiple requests. This is often addressed by using techniques like cookies or tokens. Another challenge is security. RESTful services rely on standard HTTP security mechanisms, which may not always be sufficient for all applications. Developers need to implement appropriate security measures based on the sensitivity of the data being exchanged. Security is crucial for any web service. RESTful services can be secured using various measures. These include Transport Layer Security, or TLS, for encrypting communication, OAuth for authorization, and API keys for authentication. REST is often compared with SOAP, or Simple Object Access Protocol, another web service architecture. SOAP is a more complex protocol with stricter rules and specifications. REST, on the other hand, is more lightweight and flexible. SOAP relies on XML for data exchange, while REST supports multiple formats. SOAP messages are typically larger than REST messages, potentially impacting performance. REST's simplicity and performance advantages have made it the preferred choice for many modern web applications. In conclusion, RESTful web services provide a simple yet powerful approach to building scalable and flexible web services. They leverage the ubiquity of the HTTP protocol and prioritize stateless communication. While REST offers numerous advantages, it's essential to consider its limitations and implement appropriate security measures. The choice between REST and SOAP depends on the specific requirements of the application. Thanks for joining today. Tomorrow we learn about Visual Studio. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.